Are you looking at gymnastics bars for home on the market? Look no further! We've compiled a list of the top 5 best gymnastics bars based on customer reviews. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these gymnastics bars are sure to provide you with hours of fun. So let's get started with the list.
List number: Best Gymnastics Bars for Home. The Best Gymnastics Bar is a great way to train your child. This gymnastic equipment will help them develop their motor skills, coordination, and body awareness. This gymnastic bar fits 3 to 7-year-old kids who are 1.5 to 2.5 feet tall. This junior training kit bars is easy to assemble when you use it, and folding in second only to pull up the side to save space when you are done exercising. Anti-slip rubber rings on the gymnastics bar ensure the gymnastic bar does not move while your child is on it. This also serves well as shock absorbs and in guarding the floor surface against scratches. The Best Gymnastics Bars for Home are designed to be strong, safe, and kid-friendly. These bars are built with a triangle structure to support the entire structure, which is easy to assemble and stable at all times.
List number: BEO Gymnastics Bar for Home. The BEO Training Gymnastics Kit Bar, designed by world-renowned gymnast and artist Zahari Stevens, is built with a simple yet effective triangular design, featuring 4 slip-resistant rubber floor rings on the support base tubes and a 60 inches expanded diameter. That's great for all ages. This performer-recommended training gymnastics bar will help you improve your skills and aerial routines like never before. The gymnastics horizontal bar is made of safe, long-lasting, strong steel with a smooth, powder-coated finish, and the non-slip rubber sleeve on the base ensure quality and safety. This folding gymnastics bar is designed based on the triangle structure, which ensures the stability of the whole structure. When your kids are doing exercise on it, 4 slip-resistant rubber floor rings on the support base tubes ensure the gymnastics bar will stay in place and not move. The grip to the floor is excellent. List number: Cellyu Foldable Gymnastics Bar for Home. Cellyu Foldable Gymnastics Bar is a portable gym equipment bar used for improving flexibility and health. The gymnastic equipment training bars come with 4 feet width and 5 feet deep. The height can adjust from 37.4 inches to 59 inches. Very easy to control height by 2 knobs. The new designed foldable kit bar just stable enough and foldable easily for storage. And we add bigger wheels at bottom, so you can move it in ground or on the path. Foldable gymnastics bar is designed for home use. It is an affordable indoor training tool, perfect for beginners and elite athletes alike. The new designed foldable kit bar just stable enough and foldable easily for storage. And we add bigger wheels at bottom, so you can move it in ground or on the path. The folding gymnastics bar rotate 360 degree on the floor easily. We promise you 100% quality guarantee for 1 year, including the fittings. List number: F Kids Gymnastics Bars for Home. Gymnastics bars are a great addition to any gymnast's home. They're perfect for use at home and also in a gym. These bars feature 3 bottom crossbars, a 6-point base, and rubber end caps offer safety and steadiness. The whole structure and high-grade steel materials makes our kit bar very stable. Let gymnastics training be more perfect. Gymnastics Bar 300 pounds features high-quality resin material, and gymnastic regulating arm is made of solid steel construction with superior anti-corrosion performance and long-lasting durability. The whole structure and high-grade steel materials makes our kit bar very stable. Bars for gymnastics at home can be easy to adjust the height from 37.5 inches to 55.5 inches with 11 height options with our updated knobs. List number: Pre-Gymnastic SGS Approved Gymnastics Bar 5 feet. Our pre-gymnastic gymnastics 5 feet and 6 feet kit bar is the best quality and durable gymnastics equipment for you and your little gymnastics star. Best choice for kids who go through the journey of competitive gymnastics. This bar is 49-inch wide and 59-inch long when assembled. Easy to assemble, strong structure, easy to adjust the height, with 9 height options with our updated knobs and internal 2 inches to suit your little gymnast. you will find ours to be totally different, with those stainless treaded. The scale values on the arm make it easier to know the accurate height when you adjust the bar. It is easy to adjust the height from 37 inches to 59 inches with 9 height options with our updated knobs. 3 connectors we use are steel tubes, not plate, which make the whole structure more stable and sturdier. The whole structure and high-grain steel materials of our kip bar makes it very stable